Hello, treasures. Let's make our healthy and energy-giving breakfast smoothie with these bananas, apple, cucumber, and ginger. I'll start by adding a cup of cold water into my blender. You can use ordinary room temperature water if you prefer. I like my smoothies cold. And if you don't want it light, you can also skip the water. Then I'll add the ingredients I'm using, the fruits and the ginger. I just added apple, banana, the cucumber, and the ginger. I will also add a cup of yogurt to it and a tablespoon of honey. You can use any sweetener of choice. Now let's cover the blender and blend until smooth. Very delicious. Delicious. Thanks for watching. Bye and God bless you.